So our project is using the kinetic energy of a moving bicycle, and we transfer that to electrical energy, which we could charge an electrical appliance with. Well, we picked it because like it could like affect like we could like use it like say like in big cities there's like a lot of traffic jams and stuff. Like when you go to places, like a bike is often more efficient. So like you could charge your phone as you're biking there instead of just like charging at home and waiting a while for it to like charge. So we just like find the most efficient design we could. See, this thing lights up. We find the most efficient way to transfer the kinetic energy to electrical energy from here. That was the design. It was really fun. It was like really good to build this kind of stuff. It's pretty fun. Like that it could affect us in later life. For example, Max wants to be a mechanical engineer. I want to be either a chemical or electrical or mechanical engineer. This project could affect us in our later career.